Now, what if I told you I charge twice as much using this camera versus this camera? And guess what? These are the exact same consumer grade Canon 80Ds I purchased in 2016. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how rigging your cheap camera can instantly increase how much you charge for your work. You wanna make more money with what you have or keep buying more stuff? All right then, tap in with me.
Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it.
Is all that rig stuff really necessary? I mean, isn't it just for show? Who needs all of that? And I get it. Today's camera technology makes run and gun videography super easy to get dope results. But if you're trying to be a professional out in these streets, should you be running up on clients like this or rigged out with your camera like this? Let's break that down. Does a camera rig increase showmanship? Yes, because how you show up matters. From the time I greet my client until we wrap, it's the Todd Bang Show. Great customer experience is just as important as delivering dope images or videos. Does a camera rig make it easier to use? Definitely. When you're filming a real project, juggling gear with no camera cage can be a headache or just an absolute nightmare. Does a camera rig positively affect your appearance? 100%. Clients assume you're worth more when your gear looks more capable. First impressions and perceptions is everything. Does a camera rig make you more functional? And that's the real reason. Let me show you why. Let's say you're doing interviews. 4 people, easy. You add the transmitter to the camera's cold shoe, no problem. But now, hey, yeah, so the VIP guest decided to join us, so we're gonna need one more mic, okay? Oh, and he's gonna need his vocal separate on the channel. Something about chopping it up for social media. You know about that stuff, right? Yeah, thanks. We're gonna need one more mic. Now you need a field recorder to run multi-track audio. But where you gonna mount it? Where you gonna put it? Exactly. Without a rig, you're cooked. You look unprofessional. Pack you up. But with a cage, boom. Monitor on top, battery for all-day power. You mount it to the side like this. Now look at you. You're starting to look like the money you deserve. This isn't about tricking clients. It's about showing up ready to deliver. When you use a rig, you're not just charging more, you're able to do more, run more mics, power all day, mount what you need. And most importantly, you'll look the part. Build smart and start charging what you're worth. If you're serious about growing as a creator, stop showing up looking like an amateur. Links to the gear I use is below. Want a free gear guide PDF with all the accessories I use? Drop send the rig in the comments and I'll share it with you. Until next time.